Now let's talk about the razor tool. With the razor tool, you can split your file into two. How do you locate your razor tool? We'll speak about the razor tool properly in the next video, but for now, because you need to cut off this extra part that you don't need before the beginning of the video clip. To do that, you need to split the video clip into two by using your split tool. Right, so this is where you have your split tool. Locate this drop down menu. By clicking it, you have a list of some major tools that are useful for basic editing. Currently, we have the select tool at work. This is the activated tool, that's why you have it showing. If you change it, it becomes this is the next tool at work, and click the drop down and select the split tool. Now with the split tool, you can click on any portion of your file and the file will be splitted at that particular point. Right, so you can see that the symbol looks like a razor. So now this is the beginning of the first trail as we have dictated. Let me zoom in a little. Right, so as you can see, this is the beginning. Just give it a little space and I split the audio. See that the audio has become splitted into two. Let me change back to the select tool and see that we now have two parts of the audio. It's not the same with the video. The video is just one part, as you see, because it has not been splitted. Now let me reselect the split tool to split the video too. Alright, split the video now. Click on it. This is the portion I want to split it from. Click and the video has been splitted too. Let me go back to select tool. The video has been splitted now. Right, so the essence of this is so that I can delete this unwanted part of the beginning of the reel. So at this point, just select the part you do not want and click on delete either on your keyboard or locate delete on the timeline, which is this. Right, so click delete. Alright, so if you notice, as I delete, my video clip snap to the beginning of the timeline. Let me show you that again. This is the unwanted part. Let me delete the unwanted part now. Click on delete, and the rest of the video snap to the beginning of the timeline, which is right here. Alright, that is because there is a tool activated, which is main track magnet. It's called main track magnet. When this tool is activated, when you delete your video clip, it will snap to the beginning of the main track. Alright, so let me undo that and deactivate the main track magnet. Now let's delete the video clip. Split, now delete. Change to select tool to select, now delete. You can see that the other portion remains there because I have deactivated the main track magnet. Right, so you can either have it on so that when you delete it, but I will leave it deactivated for now so that you can see what is going on when I delete. Right now, I'm going to delete the unwanted part of the audio too. Delete. So this is the beginning of the track. Our reel should begin at the beginning. So what do? You can drag the tool to the beginning by selecting, holding your control key or command key, then select and drag your file to the beginning of the track. Now we have successfully cut off the unwanted part of the beginning of the reel. Now let's play. It should start from the beginning now.
Follow me for more if you have issues with
Right, now we have successfully done that. So we need to locate the end of the first topic so that we can delete the other topics for now. Let's locate the end of the first topic. Of course, you need to just play in order for you to find out the end of the first topic. You can simply drag your timeline to make it faster.
That people would like to have this content.
It should be around
dealing with organic reach. Here are a few tips that will help you.
Now, this is the end of the first reel. It means I only need from the beginning to this portion, and the rest I do not need for now. I only want to concentrate on the first topic. So I simply need to delete the other portion by splitting and deleting, just as we did with the unwanted part of the beginning. So simply locate your split tool, go to the drop down arrow here, select your split tool. Of course, you can also use the shortcut. The shortcut for your razor tool or your split tool is letter B. When you select your letter B, changes to the razor tool. Now this is the end of this particular topic, and I'm just going to split the video and then delete this portion that I do not need. I just click on A to change my tools to select. I'm deleting this portion because I do not need it for now. Delete. So we'll do the same thing for the audio. I'm clicking letter B to change to razor tool, and I'm splitting, then back to select tool, which is A, select, and then delete. Right, now I can concentrate on just a topic, which is the first topic. What I have on the timeline now is just one topic of the series called Facebook Reach. I have no distraction from the other topics now, and that is the very first step you must take when working on your reel, which is recorded in series. The next step is to resize your video clip.